Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Click the bell icon at the top of the page to get notified when I post a new video. Please give this video a thumbs up. Universal Channeling. Channeling the Conscious Universe. Christ Consciousness. By Angel V. Ornedo Jr. December 25, 2021. On a grand scale of things, everything is source energy, all that is. The whole gamut of creations and humanity came as an expression of source energy. Lao Tzu, 5th century BC, a Chinese philosopher, religious founder of Taoism encompassing thousands of lifetimes, created his religion. Much later, the birth of Jesus Christ, humans made an Old Testament, later a New Testament, and religion out of it. Taoism and other religions are created as people are fond of creating religions. At 325 AD, the Romans created Catholicism centered on Jesus Christ. Christianity, another religion as the mother Christian religion, became strong and erased it. Romans made it father and created a strong-handed religion with police, military and the cross as instruments of obedience. Later another 20 religions are created every year thereafter, says sociologists in US alone. Some fade away for lack of money or followers while others stay for 2,000 years, the likes of Taoism, Hinduism, Shintoism, Christianity, Confucianism, Zoroastrianism. What we emphasize is religion is man's creation to fulfill a desire to impart love of a sovereign being, organizer turned celebrity or god for the leader, or of creating wealth for a class, in many cases from emperors and popes like Constantine I in 325 AD. Or of their leaders. The followers are left empty-handed as beliefs are for a favored few. Hustlers like in USA and everywhere. More than 40 religious leaders are prosecuted for criminal and non-criminal offenses who are out to make a living from gullible people and stay wealthy for their heads in all forms of religions. Joseph Smith wrote his Bible and committed unethical actions on his followers. The Protestants, like Presbyterian, Lutherans, Baptist, non-denominational Protestants and Methodist, are in true form Protestants against Catholicism and Orthodox churches. They protest their beliefs or beliefs of others. A new breed of religion, the born-again Christians, are out protesting other religions. People protest against each other to propagate their beliefs. Source energy dictates that false beliefs, we know those limitations, should be released and leave the consciousness of humanity. The truth cycle will always be present, and ultimately people will learn that there is only source energy, all that is, God, is the only omnipotent, omniscient and omnipresent being, and religions are only man-made to gratify wealth creation, limitations and false beliefs, and in some cases crimes against persons and property. You'll be ostracized by people who is on the other side of the fence. Belief for now, but God will lay down the infinity truth through central sun and light energies, and humanity will either stay at a higher vibration, follow truth, or stay behind at the third dimension where we are this time of shift. Earth has transferred to the fifth vibrational frequency, awaiting the full transfer of some of new Earth humans awakened and aware by high-intensity energies from Source, all that is to live a life of unconditional love, peace, harmony, compassion and forgiveness. Choose to see, feel, sense and acknowledge the truth of the Creator within yourselves. Allow divine presence and human body merge and feel love and infinity are one within you, thence your heart-mind will be at peace. The inherent truth: we face this period of ascension or shift. Humans are given a choice of dying or ascending in our physical bodies to crystalline light beings. We have witnessed these situations with ascended masters Joshua, Mother Mary, and Elijah. As taught by beliefs who evolved fast with their positive thoughts and deeds heavier and more weight than negative ones, or in their cases they do not have any negative accumulated ideas in their souls, their light bodies, creating a very fast ascension process. I reiterate my words from within myself: we are expression of Source, a part of all that is, the universe, and everything is inside of our being, wisdom, abundance and wholeness. A human at creation in essence is the original form, perfect, flawless. This simply means our birth is light consciousness, or a soul light being entering a body at birth from the Creator or through Source soul spirit messengers. The universe and galaxies are all eyes at this moment on this little blue planet, Mother Earth, celebrating holidays and the birth of Christ. The ascension of the planet and humanity with her signals a notch of ascension for all parts of creations in the universe. Christ consciousness on Earth can be understood as a developed state of consciousness, and those people in the dark, unawakened, tried to hide it through governance, as in the case of the Roman Empire, copied in perpetuity by other nations and religion, but in the end will evolve, awaken and make aware each and every human in the world, and learn the truth of Christ consciousness. Truth will always prevail. In the words of philosophers in the higher realm, to wit, those seeking to eliminate truth can only eternally fail, for truth is a reality that can be hidden, ignored, and denied, but never changed, removed, or affected in any way. The moment we know and understand the real significance of the birth of Christ, at the 21st century, that is from the higher cosmic vibrations. Several million volunteers, their soul spirits and sons within, are born of perfection and higher consciousness at different levels of living, or what we call life hierarchy. At our times, volunteers from the higher realm are born of human flesh, with the central sun and God's messengers assisting earth and humanity raised to a higher vibration. That is what birth is all about, never limited to a barn of sheep or stable of horses. There are 1,000 volunteers, not only one, born, coming and sacrificing from various universes and galaxies, never limited to one messenger of Source, God. Beliefs and false claims will fade from this new earth. Truth will always prevail, and remember and realize in the end we are all one. Love and Light, Angel V. Ornedo Jr., about the author. Angel teaches love, light and field of unity consciousness, assist with other funds to generate livelihood in industrial estates at sea/me, and organize corporations creating jobs, share knowledge as faculty or officer at universities, boards and associations. Angel is MBA, CPA, link at ornedodra@gmail.com or connect at Barnes & Noble, Libris and Amazon.com. Knowing the Infinite Creator or ebooks and articles at the net.